Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Hey, Mike Foster here. This is a video on how to eat tamarind, or tamarindo, depending on how you pronounce it. But it's a great healthy fruit. I got a video on why you should eat it, all the health benefits of it. This is how to eat it. The easiest way, I'm going to show you how to break into one of these and then tell you different things that you can do with it. But the easiest way is you just take it. It's like a pod. It's a legume family. They dangle from trees, and you're like, you know, a million years ago, someone went by and said, "What's that? Let's eat it." You know, and so you bust it open. You break the shell like that. Let's get a close up of that for you. You see that? You break the shell. Store these in a damp spot so they can stay ripe and edible for a long period of times. Then you get all these little strings. You just start pulling the strings. Pull these strings off. I'm not kidding. See those strings? Pull them off. Get rid of them. They're not supposed to be there. That's just how it grows. See, pull the strings off. And then you're going to reveal a fruit that is really sticky, kind of datey-like, kind of figgy-like. Doesn't taste anything like them. It's going to be kind of really tart. I'll take a bite for you in a second. It's got seeds in it, like right there. See, there's a seed, there's a seed. So you bust it away from the seed, like that. And you can eat it kind of like a cherry, where you eat around the pit, the seed, whatever you want to call it. So peel it off like that. I bet you it's very labor intensive when you're making something. There you go. We revealed it. See it? See that guy? Pull that baby right out. Don't eat those. I don't know what you do with those. Maybe you can do something with them. But there's the tamarindo. There's tamarind. How do you eat it? I just showed you how to bust open it and get it going. Look at that. This piece is all edible. Sit back down, Mike. Let's do it. Very chewy. Baba Booey. But it's good. I think it's an acquired taste you get used to. They make candy out of it. They make sauces out of it. They actually make Worcestershire sauce. It's one of the ingredients in Worcestershire sauce. They make curries out of it. You could use this for sweet and savory. You can make all kinds of different desserts with it. It's tart, but it's sweet. It's kind of a little of both. It's paradoxical. It's tart and sweet. So how do you eat it? I just showed you. You peel that pod off. Then you reveal the seed. See, the seed's about to come off. You see that? And just like any of the food with a little pit or seed, you remove it. Listen to it. That thing makes a lot of noise. And you pop it in your mouth like this. Oh, I think there's another seed there. Watch out, Mike. There is another seed there. That's how you eat it. Again, you can eat it in many different ways, which I said. Desserts, savory, very versatile. And if you want to know the health benefits of tamarindo, check out my other video on why you should eat it. It's very healthy for you. I think it's a superfood. So for more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. I'm still trying to peel this pit away. Hold on. And subscribe to it. Tell people about it. That's the baby right there. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
You know, these things grow on you. They grow on trees, but they grow on you. They're growing on me. Like, I just want to keep eating them. Another side effect is they're a natural laxative, which if you don't know, hold on. Okay, I gotta go. I was just kidding, but it does work. Baba.